Depending on your phone and settings, the quick settings on your Android phone could look like this, where you only see a few buttons and settings visible, and the rest of the screen is reserved for your notifications. Or it can look like this, where the full screen is dedicated to all your quick settings toggles. If you're getting the combined view, you can access the full list by swiping down from the top right corner twice, like I just did. Or, if you swipe down with 2 fingers, it'll take you directly to the full settings. But you can also change the default view, at least on some phones. If I go to the full view, I can tap the little pencil icon to edit my quick settings, and some Android models will show you an option to change the panel settings. This is where I can change between having my quick settings and notifications together, or I can set them to be separate, which is my preferred setting. When I set them to be separate, I don't have to mess with swiping down twice or swiping with 2 fingers. I can just swipe down once, and I get the full screen view of all my quick settings. And if I want to view my notifications, I can just swipe down from the top left, or even in the middle of my screen, and I'll get a full screen view of my notifications. Now, this kind of depends on your phone and the Android version you're using. If you're using something like a Pixel phone with the stock Android, you usually don't get the option to change that view. You'll get a combined view with a single swipe, and you can reveal more quick settings by swiping down again. But the buttons still don't take up the whole screen, and you'll have to swipe between different pages here. I guess they still sort of save the bottom for notifications, but personally, I find this pretty pointless and frustrating. There's no way to change the panel settings. You can edit the quick settings and which buttons are included, but that's all you can do. There have been some rumors that this might change with future Android releases, but as of now, you're kind of stuck with this if you're on a Pixel phone. And that's it. Click that like button if this helped, share with a friend who needs help with this, and subscribe for more quick and simple tutorials like this. Thanks all, and I hope to see you in the next video.